I'm going to shower, so I don't want oil on my body because from here I'm sweating already. I'm hitting the shower. Let me show you guys something. If I want to lose weight, I know what to do. And I know a lot of you are saying, oh, my belly stuff is not working. If I want to lose weight, I wear this and do my exercise every morning. Then I can lose weight. You see the waist trainer? You see this? I've been wearing this since last night. I want to show you guys that I can actually lose weight if I want to. If I want to lose this belly, I can lose it. So, I stay like this. So, first, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see that? You come this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We go like this. You do. I don't think I will do back because my clothes will be showing. You open your leg. Yeah. 1. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you see that? Then let's go to our normal stomach. This thing. I need to open this. So you see. You see, if I use this, now you see that my stomach is a bit reduced from what you saw 2 days ago. So if I want to lose weight, I know how to. And this is not the only exercise I do. I run actually. I do. Can you hear the way my body is bouncing? So I don't want to do that one here. So let's do this one before the video became too long. We don't have the to show you guys I can lose my weight mainly here. So starting from today, you're going to see change. Okay, Let's do it later. Hey, it's not clapping because this is too tight. But let's see how we can actually work with it. You see, it's not going to work. Okay, I think I'm going to clap without the sound. You guys have to manage it. Not as much. I wanted to oil on my body, but the okay. It's not going to clap today because you see here is inside the pants, so if I need it, I need my video. But it's hard. Okay. Okay. One, two, my calf. You know, when you do like this, you're gonna feel pain here, showing that it's working. You can do this at home. You wake up in the morning just to your wall. Like how many you can do? 5, 10, as many as you can. The more you go down, the more it's good because of your legs as well. Then, I know that this my exercise is like a joke to some of you, but don't worry, when I'm done, you will envy my body more. Okay, we do. It's too close. My leg has to be still. My leg is hurting me, I told you guys. I shake the leg, then I try again.